Hello. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video because... Wait, I don't have lipstick on. I'm gonna put gloss on real quick. Okay. Cute. Alrighty. Today I'm super excited to film this video because I ordered a Jeffree Star mystery box. So this is the deluxe one. First of all, why is this actually like so tiny? I was under the impression that the like biggest one was going to be, you know, big. Nope, it's pretty small actually. So there's that. But anyways, I don't want to take too long for the intro, so we're gonna go ahead and open it like right now. Alrighty. Here we go. Okay. So pink tissue paper here. By the way, I did order it because I guess it comes with a shirt in a size small. Alright, so here we go. Pink tissue paper. Tissue paper. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Here's what it looks like inside. I see lots of goodies. I'm so excited. Also, backstory real quick. The only thing I have from Jeffree Star Cosmetics is the Blue Blood palette and the Jawbreaker palette. So very excited to finally get my hands on probably lipstick. I'm assuming a lip liner. Looks like a Supreme Frost is in here. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Okay, first thing I'm going to show you is a metal straw. I actually wanted to order some of these, so good thing I didn't. It's only a single one, but I mean that's cool. It says Jeffree Star on it right there, in the, you know, essential hot pink color. So that's the first thing. Oh my gosh. Eee. Okay, so I got a velour lip scrub as well. This guy is in rainbow sherbet. How do you even say that word? It looks like sherbet, but I know it's not. Sherbet? Is it sherbet? I don't know. Okay. Oh my god. Look at the packaging. So nice. Wowzers. Okay, I'm excited. Dang it, I already put lip gloss on, but look at it. Ooh. Okay, I'm definitely excited. Third thing is a Supreme Frost. This is called Money Honey, and by the, excuse me, it's called Money Honey, and by the like gold, you know, color there, I'm assuming it's gonna be a gold highlighter. So we're gonna find out. Oh wait. Okay. So it actually has like a green shift to it, which, I mean, I'm not mad at that. I have so many gold highlighters, so I'm, you know, into trying something new. It's almost like duochrome. It's almost like duochrome, like in certain lighting. Okay, so this makes it look like goldish green, but like in person, I kind of see like a pinky hue to it also with like certain lighting. But yeah, I'm super excited about this guy because I've never had one before, so hello. Okay. Ooh, of course it had to come with the signature pop socket here. This one is orange, which, I mean, my phone is black, so that would look cute. I'm definitely gonna put that on there. The next item is a velour lip liner. Yes, it is. This is Doll Parts, which I already know is a like hot pink. So I opened it backwards. I love the packaging of this. Very, very like different and luxe. That's what it looks like. And I'll do a swatch here. So buttery. So there's that guy. Okay. Ooh, okay. So, oh, I'm pretty excited. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I keep saying that. The next item is a velour liquid lipstick. This is the shade Diva. No, never mind. I was thinking Diva is the dog that passed away, but no, it's Diamond that passed away. Anyways, this is Diva. I'm assuming it's named after one of his palms. Hot pink. Let's do a little swatch. I should have shook it up because it did say shake well, because the swatch came out a little funky. That's better. My swatch came out so big. That's what that looks like. It looks like Doll Parts and Diva would go really well together. Next is another velour liquid lipstick. This is in Poinsettia? Poinsettia? I feel like I'm goofing up on these names. Okay, so this is actually a metallic-y red. That's what it looks like. And I did shake it. Okay. Here's a swatch of that guy. The last velour liquid lipstick is the shade Celebrity Skin, which I feel like this is a super popular. Oh my god, yes, a nude. It is a super popular one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my god, my camera's about to die. I gotta hurry up. Okay, let me swatch it. Okay, yes, I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this one because it's a nude, and you already know, love nudes, of course. Here's a swatchy of that guy. Okay. I'm so excited. This is the secret lipstick, or whatever, the exclusive lipstick that was in all of the mystery boxes. The name is a question mark, so I don't know how you say that. Question mark? Question. So, looks like this guy is just a pink shade. It's like in between baby pink and hot pink. It's like just like that Barbie pink. Boom, there it is, Barbie pink. Okay, I'm not mad at it. I want to explore more with like pink shades, so I mean, hello, look at that guy. Here are all the swatches of the lips. They are definitely really good. I feel like his mystery boxes are definitely improving based on the feedback because they're all wearable colors in my opinion. And I don't wear hot pinks, but I want to try to start wearing them, and there is one in here, so you already know what I'm about to do. Okay, before my camera dies, last but not least, we have a t-shirt here. Oh, so cute. Okay, so it's just solid black and you have a lime green logo, and then on the back it says, "Hi, how are ya?" Okay, I'm digging this, and I love the font. What is that font from? I don't know, but this shirt feels very nice. Like, the quality is definitely there, for sure. Like, it's not like the gritty cotton, it's like a really soft cotton. Okay, cool. So also, before I go, I almost forgot. I had to like refilm this part. I wanted to like put the prices here so we can see like how much we actually got for the value. So I did pay $70 for the deluxe mystery box, and it is said to have a value of around $175. So let's start from the top. Velour lip liner retails for $16. 4 velour liquid lipsticks all retail for $18 each. The velour lip scrub retails for $12. For the straw, on their website, they have their 3-pack with the cleaner for $20, so I just did 20 divided by 3, and you get $6.67, so we'll say this is about $7. For the pop socket, I'm kind of just going off of what I've seen them run normally, which is around $8, so we'll say $8 for this. For the Supreme Frost, these retail for $32. And lastly, for the shirt, on his website, they retail for $25, so we're just going to go with that and say $25 for the shirt. Okay, so after I added up everything, the retail value was $172, which, you know, then again, that could have been more based on the straw, the pop socket, and the shirt. It was just kind of like an average there that I guessed for. But yeah, I would say it's definitely worth it, especially now that he's like improving his, like what he's including in the mystery boxes. Like, I'm definitely pleased with everything. I am going to use every single thing in here, so I definitely got way more than my money's worth, and I'm super happy with it. So yeah. Well guys, that is it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh my gosh, I can talk with this thing. Okay, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to my channel down below, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. They're gonna be down there as well. And if you want, check out these lashes. These are a new style called Saucy from Trinity Lash Co, aka my business. I am going to be posting a video very soon about how I started my business and some tips for people that want to get into business and all that good stuff. So anyways, stay tuned for that, and that is it. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.